OMG, who is that?
I booked a pro makeup artist to make me unrecognizable, and wow, did she deliver. Meet Van Mieu, known as the makeup fairy of Vietnam. She's based in Ho Chi Minh City and famous for her modern, versatile style, and she has this down-to-earth personality that instantly makes you feel comfortable. She's also a pro special effects makeup artist, which is why people call her Phu Thuy makeup, meaning the makeup witch, because her transformations are just jaw-dropping. Today, I'm giving her full creative control, no mirror, no peeking, so I won't see the results until the very end. And since I'm recording this voiceover now, this is my first time actually seeing the magic unfold. Okay, we all know good makeup starts with good skin prep, so Van's cleansing my face, applying layers of skincare. And then she massages in the Embroilisse moisturizer for that plump, hydrated base. While she's working that in, her team's already on my hair, or in this case, my wig cap. She won't be telling me exactly what wig she picked out, only that it's short. Looking back at it now, short hair really takes a few years off. Do you think I should go for the chop? Van's going to work on my eyes first, so she's going to apply concealer as the base before moving on to eyeshadows. Fun little fact I want to share, when I reached out to Van to film this video collab, she told me she started watching my channel years ago. Soon after that, she also started her own, and for the past decade, she's been perfecting her craft and even started her own makeup academy. So here what she's doing is contouring my eyes with some soft browns. Then deepening up the outer corners with some deeper, warm, reddish browns. For the highlight, she taps on a champagne gold glitter just on the center of my eyes. Not gonna lie, so far these shades feel very me-like, so nothing too unrecognizable yet, but we shall trust the process. Then it's time to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and go in with some falsies. She's actually using 2 pairs of strip lashes on me, and the style is kind of like that spiky anime look that's trending at the moment. And by combining 2 different styles, she's actually creating a custom look for my eyes. Then it's time to define with eyeliner. She tightlines my eyes with a liquid liner, then softens it with a black shadow. Now she's going to work on my base. She's going to prime my skin with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum in Main Squeeze. She really works that in with her hands to prevent any creasing and ensures a smooth foundation application. Now for the foundation, she's using the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. Now I don't see a lot of makeup artists here use this brand, and I was wondering why she has it in her kit. Turns out she did Danessa's online courses and swears by her products, and I can totally see why. This foundation is so skin-like, blends like a dream, and you don't need a lot. I've never used this brand myself, but I feel like I need to go check them out ASAP. And then we had a little bit of malfunction and had to pause briefly so we can fix my wig. The struggle was real. After finishing up half my face, she applies concealer under my eyes and my forehead just to brighten things up and give my face more dimension. After that comes contouring. This is She Glam's liquid contour. As Van's blending that in, her team is applying a mousse onto my hair, wig, just to give it some texture. We're moving on to nose contouring now. Okay, I really need to study this part because I really liked how my nose looked afterwards. First, she uses a small brush to apply and blend the contour. Then she uses a contour pencil to map out the shape really thinly and starts to blend that out. I also noticed that for my tip, she applies the contour a lot higher than what I would usually do, and that's giving me a more lifted look. For the sides of my nose, she blends and connects it with the eyeshadows. Then she taps on a lighter concealer just on the bridge in the center. That's what's creating that contrast. After that, she uses a puff to powder and set the area. Moving on to blush, she's using a cream blush first and tops it with a powder blush so it builds up the intensity but also blocks in the pigment. She's also adding that around my nose just to give me that sun-kissed vibe. Alrighty, let's get back to the eyes. She's going to smoke out my lower lash line with some browns and blacks. And also define my aegyo. You know, that little eye bag area part? Yes, this technique is what's trending in Asian makeup at the moment. It just makes the eyes look bigger and also helps to shorten the mid face, especially if you have a face shape like mine that tends to be a little bit longer in the center. To create a little bit more contrast, she's highlighting the bag area underneath my eye. Next comes mascara and lower lashes to really open them up. Wowza. My eyes are huge. Twiggy, move over. Alrighty, since my eyes are done, the team's gonna go in and style my bangs. We're not leaving them straight, we're gonna make them wavy. Very interesting because I've never had wavy bangs before, but I'm totally digging it. After that, it's lips. Vani is overlining my cupid's bow to shorten my fill trim and give me poutier lips. Yes, please. Then she applies a matte liquid lipstick. And on top goes a glossy tint just on the cupid's bow and the center of my lips. I feel like lip makeup has evolved so much over the past few years. It's not just picking out a lipstick color anymore, it's literally contouring your lips with several products. I kind of wonder how you sort of maintain this look and touch up throughout the day. You need to bring all 5 products. Now for some finishing touches to really make me look unrecognizable, we need contact lenses. I've never had someone else put in contacts for me. Oh, it's a whole trust the process moment, but Vun was a pro. Whoa, 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 just look at that color. It really makes my eyes pop and this whole makeup look just came together. I feel like one of those AI characters or girls from Xiaohongshu. We are not done there. Vun's going to use a toothbrush head to flick on faux freckles. She's using these shades from her special effects palette. I remember this palette from a collab I did years ago with my friend Kiana Jones, who transformed me into an old lady. Time for some finishing touches before I see myself. A cool trick I learned for the bangs to keep them in place is to use a little bit of eyelash glue just at the tip to stick them in place. Okay. Whoa! Who is that? Oh my gosh! Aya. Oh my gosh! I feel like I'm an avatar, like an AI. Like, wow! Giống AI thiệt á. Wow! I love it. Ooh. OMG, it looks like I have a filter on right now, but this is the power of makeup. I love it. The makeup, the hair, the whole outfit they prepared. Wow, I think I need to enroll with Vun for her makeup classes because her makeup skills are next level. What do you guys think of this look? Do I look unrecognizable? If you're new here, subscribe and check out my other makeup transformations. That is it from me. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye.